All right, this is gonna be Reddish Knob to Flagpole Knob Part 2. We are just leaving Reddish Knob Peak, and the club's gonna take off, and we're going back down the hill mountain, and we are gonna go to Flagpole Knob. Probably air down there and start, so we may do another part after this again.
Adam, how are your batteries looking on your radio? Do you have a battery symbol on yours yet? No, I'm good. Symbol. We have chargers if anybody needs one.
Okay, we're all in line, heading down.
Symbol.
This is flag. No, yes, it is higher than flagpole. Yes, I believe so. Flagpole is grass, metal, I believe. But we'll see when we get there. Just from the YouTube videos I've watched, I believe Flagpole Knob is a metal.
That's one of the roads to your left that takes you over into West Virginia.
This here to the left. It's amazing how many roads and all. It's just up in mountains.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful out.
It's summer, but it's nice.
It's not humid like usually summer is. So far, next week is another story. Gonna be up in the 90s.
Somebody said that one day was going to be 100.
Yeah, probably.
and decide to stay, and then we don't have anything.
Rides like this, I don't think. We have to worry about. Seems like, you know, you try to be minimal and it's like, well, we might need this, you might need that. It's good to have it.
So the part of the trail before we get to Flagpole that takes us all the way up to Flagpole is basically just a gravel road, so we won't need to air down until after we get to Flagpole Knob. For those of us that like to air down.
10-4. I'm with you.
There's not a badge thing for the Reddish Knob.
There's not.
No, there's one for Flagpole.
Okay. Because this probably isn't really a trail.
There we go. Getting off the pavement.
All right. This is Flagpole Knob beginning.
Cobblestone.
I don't know what that was.
I think something on the radio.
Oh.
They must have pushed it.
That's a little bit more washed out than I remember. stop whatever ducks right off the dash. You need a flock locker.
This Jeep makes stuff like that look easy.
This is kind of more like a car.
Yeah.
It's a little better than a car, but it's still a car.
He's got four-wheel drive, I would imagine.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I should have climbed it in two-wheel drive. See how it did. It just went right up it.
Mud puddle.
Yeah.
Gonna get her wet. Nice red clay.
Nothing like the water hole me and Josh went through. Bald Mountain.
Bald Mountain, quite a bit of water. So did Broad Run. Had a lot of like creek that went all the way through it around.
Here's the beginning of all the different camping spots up through here, Ron. There's quite a few.
10-4, thank you.
This is quite a long drive from our house to get to. Oh, somebody's camping. Oh, there's one. They're all muddy.
Yeah.
Some kind of trail right there. Must be a hiking trail or something.
Could be.
It's all
We had a couple Broncos coming the other direction.
what's gonna happen.
in the beginning. Wouldn't hurt none. Makes it smooth to ride, you'll see.
We're gonna play for a minute before we go on up the trail.
There must be a playground up here.
He's gonna do it too.
Yeah.
You got it. Slicker than snot, honey. Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
James
Right.
just sent a Sugar Grove station.
I'm glad.
National Security Agency communications site located near Sugar Grove in Pendleton County, West Virginia. According to a 2005 article in New York Times, the site intercepts all international communications entering the eastern United States. Activities at the site previously involved Navy Information Operations Command. In April 2013, the Chief of Naval Operations ordered that the base be closed by September 30th, 2015, as a result of the determination by the resource sponsor NSA to relocate the command's mission. The naval base is being repurposed as a privately owned healthcare facility for veterans, while the NSA listening station to the south continues to operate.
Yeah, I'm sure it's not shut down.
Whatever. I know.
Old Bluey went up that pretty good.
Yep. Good job, Bluey. Good job, Bluey.
That 4-low second gear, that's as long as you can keep the RPMs up, that 4-low second gear, that's crawling gear. And I still didn't even have, I had first gear if I needed it.
what it was called. The old CBs. That was quite the time.
Yeah.
Talk to like my friends, talk to people in like next other towns.
Yep. Me too. We had them in both cars, truck and car. We had them in the house.
Yeah, my father had a big, huge thing on his desk.
Yeah, that's what we had.
What was your handle?
Iron Man.
Mine was kind of dumb, but they called me Jenny Henny.
Yeah. My father's was Gear Jammer. My mother's was
Well, it's
Cream.
not a gravel road anymore like it used to be, so for that I apologize, but we're almost up to the top.
My mother's was Cream Puff,
I can't remember my.
and what was my sister Connie's? I forget.
Oh, I know. My father's was the Piper because he was in the mill that he worked. He fixed the pipes,
Oh,
so they called him the Piper.
okay.
But I can't remember what my mother's was. Dang. Now she's gone. I'll never be able to find out. Can't remember.
There was a little trail over there. We should have took and seen what it was, where it went.
We got a plan. Seeing, like, I think that was like a camp thing or
I don't know. It looked like it went up into the woods.
I see a lot of like vegetation that looks familiar to me, like from even back home. Yeah. They must have had some storm.
Yeah.
No trees or anything down though. It doesn't look like it. Must have been just the rain.
It's all rock. Bald Mountain was like this, but it was bigger rocks. Bald Mountain was rocky, really rocky, rough. But if you're just joining us, this is Flagpole Knob, Central Virginia. And we're here with the Jeep Club out of Lynchburg, Virginia. And my wife Jennifer is with me on this trip. And we've got, let's see, 6 of us here today. All Jeeps except we have one Toyota 4Runner that is rigged right up, modified, and pretty tough vehicle. And we do have this Jeep SUV in front of us. I'm not sure what it is.
I think it's not a
Jeep,
Cherokee.
is it a Cherokee or is it a Liberty or what is
No,
it?
it's not a Liberty. I think it's a Cherokee.
Jeep Cherokee, I guess. He just went up over the obstacle.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
We got a vehicle coming this direction. He's gonna probably pull off here in a second so we can all get around. Yeah, he's pulling off.
That's the hard part.
Mm-hmm.
That's the hard part of these, meeting people. That thing ain't down.
Yeah, somebody's already cut it.
Looks like it's gonna come down more than that one of these days.
Somebody will cut it when it does. Brad, we should have aired down below.
Oh well.
I mean, really, you don't even need four-wheel drive here, really, on most of this trail. But we just got it in just in case we need it last minute. 4 high is what we're running in. We had 4 low going up that obstacle, second gear, crawled right up top of it.
Lost their license plate hanging in the tree. So newer, I mean, it's due in November, so they still got a lot of time.
Somebody's camping in there.
Yeah, go ahead.
Cool.
Big old dead tree right there. See, if those sway bars were disconnected, you wouldn't even feel that. It would just flow. And then with the tires down, you wouldn't even feel it. It's just a little
We got a
rough.
Jeep coming up, but we're going to come over here and play for a minute in this little side spot here.
You're clear.
A little playground. Like a bunch of kids. This is a deep hole over here. No way around.
What?
How do you know how deep it is?
We're gonna find out. You went through it.
Who did?
That other Jeep.
Oh. back down.
Hmm.
There we go.
That Jeep followed us.
That was fun.
That's what it's all about. That one hole was pretty deep. Up to the door.
Yeah.
Up to the door. Right there.
Oh, thank you. We just got ducked.
wants to go the hard way. There's a hard way that way. I guess we're all gonna go the easy way.
You got a couple that are.
Huh?
You got a couple that are kind of like. Probably wouldn't do very good with it. The lady gave us this.
Thank you. Does he say thank you?
Yeah. I want to put it up there. It's gonna roll all over the place.
Hey, Brad.
Go ahead.
You staying in high or you going low here?
I'm just in two-wheel drive. I've been in two-wheel drive the whole time.
10-4.
Is that what we're in?
We'll see if it's washed out really bad up here, and then we'll go from there on whether we're putting it in four-wheel drive or not.
Yeah, it's a little dirty. You got dirty too. I think everybody got a little. We the only one with a winch?
No.
Yeah, it's a Cherokee. It says on the side. Does Matt go still been doing any trails, or they've been doing more RVing?
Yeah, he's not doing much cheap stuff anymore. I guess he's gonna sell his Cherokee.
Is he keeping the white one? Or what was their name?
Yeah, hold up a minute. This might not be the one. Let me see if it's up here. Be back in a minute. Nah, this is just a camping spot. We'll be back down in a minute.
So what do we got to turn around?
Are we backing out?
No, we just backed out so we could give Brad some room to get back out.
It's a nice camping spot up there, Ron, but it's a little overgrown.
Let's check. It goes back in there a ways.
Must be another bypass trail there. water bottles. That's pretty fun going through them water holes. That one we sunk down pretty good.
Yeah, this is it. Y'all come on up.
What's rocky?
The road. Trail.
This thing goes good even in two-wheel drive.
So
This is Flagpole Knob camping area at the top. Yep. Let me get level. Get this thing halfway level.
I think I want to go now up there a little bit.
Where? Where do you want to go?
Just a little bit. Like right now. But,
Right here.
yeah.
All right, we're at the top of Flagpole Knob. I think we're gonna get some lunch and do what we got to do. Didn't even think it was running.
Shutting this off.
I think we're gonna grab some lunch and we'll get back with you in part 3. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Ron's Outdoors Adventures. Like this page, like this video, and comment if you will. Have a great day. See you soon. Part 3 is coming up.